Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think it could have possible, say in a some kind of way, you a stand up in a people way and stop them from going to God's kingdom? More you think about it. And while we are thinking about it, if you want to help more people to go in a God kingdom, then help us to spread the word. Click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, now the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So, and every morning, 5 o'clock, you will get to hear God word in the Jamaican language.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 23 from verse 1 to verse 39. Then Jesus turned to the crowd and to him special follower them too. Hear him now. The law teacher and the Pharisee them sit down in a Moses seat. So you fi listen them and do all what them tell you fi do. But not do what them do. Cause them not do what them preach say. Them tie on heavy load pan people's shoulder. We hard fi carry. But them not even want lift up one finger fi help them. Them just show off. Them do all what them do fi make people see them. Una see how them make fi them leather box with different verse out of God word well big. Yeah. The same one where them tie on pan them head and them on. And look pan them tassel, look how it long it be. A very important seat them love sit down in when they go a big dinner and in them church. Them love when people give them special Audi when they go market and when they call them teacher. But nobody no fi call you no teacher. Cause a uncle one teacher they both. Plus, the whole of una brother and sister, nobody no higher than nobody. And una no fi call nobody yes up on earth, una father. Cause a uncle one father they both. And in their heaven. And me say, nobody no fi call you no teacher. Cause uncle one teacher no have. And that is the one where God send to save people. The Christ. The one amongst you know, we are the most important one. And them I go serve you know. And anybody will come and big up themselves. Them go get sitting for quiet them. And the one them will humble themselves. And them God I go big up. But you see all them law teacher yeah, and the Pharisee people them trouble for no. Whole hypocrite. Uno shut God kingdom in our people face. Uno not go in there. And uno not allow people who are try to go in there to go in. You say the law teacher and Pharisee people them trouble for no. Uno hypocrite uno. Uno cross over land and sea if you try change one somebody for go phone away. And when that one somebody they start worship God phone away, uno make them fit for go hell 2 times more than uno. Trouble for no where lead people and can't see one thing. But to not say, if nobody swear upon God also, that no matter. But if them swear upon the goal for God also, and that matter. No blind fool, no. Which one more important? The goal or God house? No car and God house the goal use for in a first place. Make it come in so important. Hear this to know. Uno say, anybody we swear on the altar, if them not do what them swear for do, it no matter. But if they swear upon the offering, where somebody bring go at the altar, them have to do what them promise to do. No blind, sir. Which one more important? The offering or the altar we make the offering worth something? So anybody will swear upon the altar, swear upon it, and upon everything we depend it. And anybody will swear upon God oath, swear upon it, and swear upon God will live in there too. And if nobody has swear and call every name, they must swear upon God's throne and upon the one we sit on upon the throne too. I say, trouble for no law teacher and all no Pharisee, trouble hypocrite. Uno give God 1 out of every 10 mint, spice like dill, and other seasoning like cumin. But the sitting them way more important in a God law. Uno no business with them de. Him say, uno fi treat people fair. Uno fi good and kind to them. And fi make sure, say him can trust uno. Ka uno do him say uno fi do. But uno no pay them part of the law de. No mind. And them part of the law de, uno fi follow. But uno fi still member fi do the other one them too. Uno blind no bat. But uno lead people. Uno train out everything we no drink. Fi make sure say no even one little fly no in there. But uno same one swallow one whole a camel. And no even know. You see all them law teacher, yeah? And the Pharisee people them. Trouble for no. All hypocrite. Uno wash outside a cup and plate clean. But wanna put in a them dirty. Cause a greedy, greedy. Uno use wickedness and take them from people. Uno just business about uno self one. Blind Pharisee. Clean inside of the cup first. So the outside part can clean up too. I say, you see uno law teacher and Pharisee, trouble for uno. Set a hypocrite uno. Uno tan like tomb where them paint white a year time. Pretty on the outside, but inside of them, full up a dead man bone and all kind of dirty, rotten sitting. I see him so, on the outside of uno, look like good people. We do everything we make God happy. But in our heart, uno a big hypocrite. Wicked and full up of sin. I say, trouble for no law teacher and Pharisee people. Uno say a hypocrite uno. Uno build up tomb for the prophet them. And the people them where they live good in a God eye, uno pretty up them grave. And here uno no. If we did live in our father them time, we would have never run with them go kill off the prophet them. But when uno said them sin there, attack uno talk against uno self. And approve or no approve, say you no really come from people where did kill the prophet them. So go and go down where no people them when start. Uno set a snake and snake picnic uno. Oh, uno fi ever get way and no get punished down a hell. Eh? And that me I go send prophet to uno. Me I go send some man where wise come. And some people will teach God way. Some of them uno go kill and nail pan the cross. And some uno go beat them in the Jew them church and run them down from town to town like a wild animal. So all of the people them where did I live right in a God's eye and uno kill them, feed them blood, I go there on funo shoulder. From Abel where did I live right in a God's eye to Zachariah, Barakia boy pitney. A him uno kill off between God house and the altar which part them burn sacrifice. I tell you this here, and I true me attack. That's it, people here. We are live in at that time here. A uno I go pay for all of them sitting here. Aye. Jerusalem. Jerusalem. You will kill the prophet them and stone the one them where God sent to know. Long for gather your people around me. Like a fowl gather fear pitney them under wing. But you never want me to do it. But look here. God take him house from amongst you. So when you build up and call God house, him no dead no more. May I tell you this? You not see me again till you say, God bless the one when him send come. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.